Hi, my name's Jay.
My name is Rashawn Fenton West.
I'm Kirsty Goddard and I'm studying FDA Sports Coaching and Development.
The way I found this course was online through UCAS. I picked it because it was more practical than other courses, so you get to do hands-on things like events at schools today. Other courses were more structured in class. I didn't really like the idea of that.
Well, I was in communication with many teachers here because I was here in 2014, so I came from a CSLA qualification at the beginning, and then I moved myself up to level 2 sports and physical education, then level 3 sports development, and then year 1 FDA foundation degree, and now year 2 of my final year as a foundation degree student at East Sussex College.
And the course leader actually got in touch with me because he was a teacher for me last year, and he was like, I really want you to do this course. Like, he said that it would be perfect for me because I want to be like maybe a coach when I'm older.
Hopefully after this I might do the 3rd year top up at another university. That way I can probably go into maybe teaching, stuff like that, or look to just get a job outside of teaching but in the industry for coaching.
So after this course, I'm going on to sports science course at University of Brighton. I'm going on to the 2nd year of that course because I've got a foundation degree after this, and then I do the 3rd year and I came out of my honours degree in sports science. But my goal is to become a physiotherapist, so after this course I'm progressing on to the next course and then hopefully physiotherapy after that.
From the 2nd week on the course we got to be coaching opportunities, so it was from the get-go we was thrown in, but it was good experience at the same time. Today I found it really good. The kids are a bit challenging, but it's part of what we want to do. Yeah, it was good so far.
So the course I'm doing at the moment is a foundation degree. So the reasons why is because there's a lot more support at East Sussex College, whereas at university there might be a cohort of 80 or 100 people in one sort of course. So for me to be at the East Sussex College, it means there's smaller groups of people, a lot more one-on-one with the teachers, with different modules that come up and stuff, and just the overall support of the staff. The resources at East Sussex College as well, the lecturers is very good. Just purely for the fact, for their experience so outside of East Sussex College, of their own professions they've been in, and then where they are now lecturing at East Sussex College, all of their personal experience and stuff helps us students sort of for them to organise work experiences and stuff within the course.
Yeah, so in the start it was spread out until about 3 o'clock, so 9 till 3, and then some days it was like 10 till 3, but there wasn't any like big gaps apart from our breaks, so that was quite nice. And then now that we've had a little bit of a reshuffle throughout the year, which is expected, but it's all compacted into the morning, so we haven't got any breaks. Like last year when I was doing a normal sports coaching course, we had like hours gaps and 2-hour gaps and 3-hour gaps. So this is a lot nicer, being able to just do everything in the morning and then go home and get on with your day.
So it's funny enough you say that, because the CSLAs that are here today, I actually used to be one of them 4 years ago. So it's crazy for me to be able to feel like I'm in their position, but now 4 years later be like coordinating them and sort of showing them how to be like a transition sort of team, how to work cohesively as a team. But for me to then be 4 years later be in this position is actually incredible. I remember back when I was in CSLA 4 years ago in 2014, I was wanting to do something like this. I always imagined me sort of having a project and being able to deliver it as great it was as I experienced back then 4 years ago. So it's amazing to be able to be in this position now with this course of the FDA foundation degree, being able to use all my skills that I've learned from all the years prior to being on this course.